Previously on Nerf War.
Didn't I kill you already? Didn't I kill you already?
Wait, we killed each other, didn't we?
Yes.
We have to find a winner. Any last words?
Oh! 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 Why are you little? Damn! Out of ammo!
I hate it when I run out of ammo. Why is this gun have to have only 5 darts? But 5 good darts. Suck this.
Where is he? Any last words?
Now it's my turn.
Yeah, I do actually. Yeah. I'm gangster now. Yeah, I won. I'm hungry after that battle. Chippies. My chips. This is to finish it off. Finish it off. Yeah. Okay, alright guys. So, now it's your turn to tell us who you think should have won the battle and how the battle should have ended. So, do you think One Mega Studios should have won, or Mitchell John Oakes, which is, of course, obviously me.
yeah? So decide, and then tell us
In the comments section
below who you think should have won and how you think it should have ended. Thanks for watching. Yeah!